There appears to be about a 5 to 7 mile per hour wind, headwind. And I also tidied up some of the wires here, as you can see. I labeled them, the numbers, so they correspond when I connect down here. And the RPMs were around 10,000 on one engine and 9,800 on the other, and that is fine as long as it's close to 200 difference. Even though they are off a little bit, it's due to the different makes of the motor. Briefly mention that in checking the RPMs with the RPM gauge, you don't have to aim at any certain part of the propeller when it's spinning. It should be even throughout. We're going to do a range check now, leaving the antenna down, walking 150 to 300 feet away, making sure all control surfaces still move, and then turn the motor on part way and do the same test, make sure everything is still moving fluidly. There may be some diminishment of accuracy when the motor's running, but it shouldn't be much.
There we are. There you go. Guess that's a successful flight.
Had several successful flights, probably totaling on one battery at least 15 minutes. I didn't let it go down the whole way, and I still had over 2 volts left, so probably 20 minutes or more maybe. And I had to trim out the elevator because it was wanting to go up too much, and that was done by adjusting the screw in the back of the elevator, lowering it about 1/8 of an inch towards the ground, and it flew quite well. That's it. All that's left is decals and spray paint if you choose. I'm probably going to spray paint it with Krylon spray, yellow and black on the bottom, because darker colors are easier to see when you're flying, from the bottom side anyway. And there is a hum in the back elevator as well, in the servo rather. I need to eliminate the binding wherever it might be. It had at least 70% climb rate at full throttle, and could do barrel rolls fairly tightly. I would say moderate barrel rolls. A very good performer on these extra 28, 29/10 engines.